In this guide, I'll show you how to sell items on the Steam market. So, the first thing you want to do is have a look at the top and you want to select your profile name and then you want to go to inventory. Now, this is going to show you your item inventory from things you've bought on the Steam market as well as things you've collected by playing games. So, if you want to sell something, I'm just going to select this thing, for example. If you scroll down and have a look at the bottom, you'll see what the starting price is as well as the volume sold for this item in the last 24 hours. So I'm going to select sell on this item, and here you'll see the item I selected, and this also shows the price history of the item to give you an idea as to how much you can sell it for. Now it looks like it's been selling for 3, 4, 5 cents, so not a lot. So what I'm going to do is type in 0.02. So this is selling it for 2 cents, and including the fees, the buyer is going to pay 4 cents. So you have to be somewhat competitive if you're selling an item. If you overprice it, it's not going to sell on the market. So I'm going to agree to the terms here, and then I'm going to put this item up for sale. So your market listing is going to be held for 15 days unless you've set up the Steam mobile authenticator on your account, in which case it'll be faster. And if you want to learn more about how to set that up, you can select this option here. But if you want to sell this item right away, make sure this is checked, and then you want to press OK. So when you do this, if you scroll up to the top of the screen, you'll see the item that you're selling, and you can go to the community market. So once you're here, you'll see your current listings, and if you go to My Market History, you'll be able to see everything that's currently up. Now, if I go back to My Active Listings, you're also able to remove your listings if you don't want to sell that item anymore. So you can just do that to remove your listing, and that's how you sell items in the community market. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.